Good day, and I'm Heather with Vermont Works for Women, and I have this week's quick tip. And this week it's about self-care, especially right now when we are in close quarters with people we normally don't spend that much time with. So I've started something that I call my ritual of pleasure, and there's only two rules. First rule is the only outcome is pure joy. That's the only thing that you are trying to achieve. The second rule is try to incorporate as many of the five senses as you can, because it's really about a practice of mindfulness and taking the moment to be present with yourself and recharge your batteries. Because if our best self is at this level and we think that sacrificing our own needs is a gift to those around us, it's not. Because when we sacrifice our own self-care, we're not able to recharge our batteries to get to that best self level. So when we sacrifice our own self-care, really what we're bringing to the table for everybody else is this lower version of our best self. So prioritize your self-care. And this is one of my tips that I use, and it's called an egg white facial. So what I have in this bowl is an egg white, and I've taken the time to make it frothy. You know, it's not too stiff. And then to add in, when you think about the five senses, there's touch, taste, although we're not going to eat this, smell, sound, and sight. So to add in some, not only aromas so that it smells great, it also has some natural cleansing properties to reduce acne. So add a squirt of honey. Might help if I open it first. There we go. Squirt of honey. And a little bit of lemon juice. And then mix that up. You know, think about the sound this makes. Think about the smell. And then, after you get it all mixed up, the next step is to take a pastry brush and put it on your face. As you can see, I pulled my hair back with a headband, and I do have a mirror. And you're just going to coat it all over your face. Might be handy to have a towel. Think about how it feels on your face. Think about the texture of the brush. Think about the smell. I even like to think about the pores that are shrinking, the acne that's not going to come because of this wash. And you can turn this wash into a peel by adding Kleenex and then doing another layer. And then after that, you just want to let it dry. And with any luck, you will rinse your face with warm water and you'll have a new bright glow. That's this week's quick tip from Vermont Works for Women. Everybody stay safe, healthy, and remember, we're in this together.